Ha? Tanong ko na eh. Asa yung gawin na na? Mga sarte. Patid ba? Likod. Leo. Likod, kalaban. Buat play. Last 15 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 9. Jersey number 23. Connect 3 points. Daplin kamay ko. Jersey number 69 pull up the cover. Ay. Jersey number 4, 33. Double. Rebound currently. Pass to jersey number 15. Jersey number 15.
Diretso na lang tutunin mo. Imo pa yung gipasa. Likod, kalaban.
Jersey number 4 set the play to back to jersey number 4 last 15 shoot to jersey number 8 back to jersey number 4 last 10 jersey number 23 double rebound jersey number 4 to jersey number 15 draw back to jersey number 29.
Nice one.
Jersey number 4 set the play to jersey number 93. Another. Long pass to jersey number 15. Foul. Jersey number 15 to jersey number 25. Back to jersey number 25 to jersey number 15.
Okay lah. Jersey
number 69 Mistera. Scoring up the way Mistera. Solid pass to jersey number 24. Jersey number 24 harang jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 9. Nice to have it. Loose foul.
Last 4 minutes.
Jersey number 15 to jersey number 45. Back to jersey number 15. Last 15 seconds shot clock. No good. Jabot. Jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 8. Jersey number 8 pass to jersey number 9. Last 15 to shoot. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound karon ni jersey number 4. Nangita kapasan. Pass to jersey number 9. No good. Pass to jersey number 15. Nagmamadali. No good. Nakuha ni Mr. Asobe. Asobe drop pass to jersey number 8. No good. Long pass to jersey number 45. Pass to jersey number 15 nag-isa. Wala ka rin. Nakakuha rin jersey number 8. Last 3 minutes. Jersey number 24 halos sa jersey number 45. Last 15 seconds shot clock. No good. Pass on jersey number 15. Pass on jersey number 45. Connect 2 points. Last 2 minutes and 42 seconds. Jersey number 8. Pass on jersey number 24. Nakakuha ni jersey number 9. Last 15. Same ball.
Last 11 seconds, shot clock.
Last 11 second shot clock. Last 10. Last 5. Connect 2 points. Jersey number 15, long pass to jersey number 45. Pass to jersey number 25. Same ball.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. Jersey number 9 at mamadali si jersey number 9. Drop pass to jersey number 69. Connect 2 points.
Last 1 minute and 35.
Number 15, pass to
15 seconds shot clock.
last 15 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 15 drive. No good. Kuwari jersey number 25. Who's all red? Foul jersey number 8.
Last 1 minute and 13 seconds.
Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Warning for penalty.
Wala.
Seconds to play.
Seconds to play. Mr. Rasoy may hawak ng bola. Pass to jersey number 4. Pass to jersey number 4 to Mr. Rasoy. Last 45 seconds. Jersey number 4 to jersey number 45. Last 40 seconds. No. Kuha ni jersey number 9. And it's to jersey number 15. No good. Kuha ni jersey number 45. Last 25 seconds.
Kyle!
Penalty, last 20 seconds. Last 15.
Joy!
Last 10.
Last 10 seconds.
5.
Last 5. Wala na yung time, Red.
Time na.
Wala na yung time.
Time.
Wala na yung pito na.
Jersey number 3 pass to jersey number 19, take 3. Wala. Rebound with jersey number 23, pass to jersey number 3. Last 15 to shoot. Jersey number 3 taking 3. No. Jersey number 15 may hawak ng bola. Pass to. No. Nakakuha yung jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 5. Connect 2 points. Jersey number 15 long. Jersey number 27. And he's set. Hindi may hawak ng bola. Instead, pass to jersey number 22. Jersey number 15 may hawak ng bola to Mr. Adan. Pass to jersey number 15. Last 15 silang shot clock. Connect.
La!
Jersey number 19 may hawak ng bola. Pass to jersey number 22.
Nabil.
Jersey number 15 may hawak ng bola.
Roto nga Roy oh.
Pass to jersey number 15 again.
Nice Roy.
Jersey number 22. Pass to Jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 5. Pull up jumper. Connect. Madali. Connect. 2 points.
Oh, upset raw.
Number 5 to number 19. That's 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Mr. Rizal. Nakita ka sa pass.
Okay. Oh.
Jersey number 15 may hawak ng bola para sa Mr.
Balik.
Back to jersey number 15. Drop para Mr. Rizal. Thank you. Pass to Mr. Rizal. 8-3. No. Kuha ni jersey number 15. Number 15 may
Upset raw.
bola. To jersey number 15 again.
Nice.
No. Kuha ni jersey number 15.
Ba!
Pass to jersey number 19. Pass to number 19. Pass to jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 2. Drop pass to jersey number. Pass to jersey number 22. Pull up jumper. No.
Oh, kaya. Ikaw rin sa Kyle. So,
Pass to jersey number 3.
tira.
Pass 50 to shoot. Pass to jersey number 31.
Nice.
No.
Nice, Roy. Utang. Lahat. Hee!
Jersey number 19, paluwag to jersey number 3. Connect. 2 points. Last 3 minutes and
Ang labaw ta to.
jersey number 31. No. Kuha ni jersey number 15.
Good.
Connect. 2 points.
Upset raw.
Jersey number 19 set the play. Jersey number 19. Last 15 seconds shot clock. Pass to jersey number 5. No.
Ata Kyle.
Kuha ni jersey number 15. Pass to
So. Tunga, tunga.
15. Drop pass to jersey number 15 to Mr.
Ah, sharp. Pre!
First row.
Oh, igualay sa.
That's Robin's rebound. For 5 seconds. To jersey number 5 taking 3. No.
Ay!
For next jersey number 15. That's for jersey number 15 to jersey number 21. No. Kuha ni jersey number
Ay!
5. Jersey number 19 may hawak ng bola. Jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 22. Last 15 to shoot. Connect 2 points. Jersey number 19 may hawak ng bola. Last 15 to shoot. Pull up jumper. No. Jersey number 22. Pass to jersey number 3. Mr. Castro. Pass to jersey back to Mr. Castro. No good. Who's 50 seconds? Jersey number 22 to jersey number 3. Now pass to jersey number 3. Last 40 seconds. Last play. Jersey number 15. Who's that?
Sige lang. Ah, igualis. Shot Kyle kay igualis. Igualis.
Jersey number 19 getting 3. Connect 3 points.
Lagi.
Jersey number 15 to jersey number 25. Last 15 to shoot. No. Rebound is jersey number 4. Connect.
Tayo pa na.
Jersey number 15, pass to jersey number 25. Last 15 shoot.
Nakuha to eh.
Traveling violation.
Parang tayo. Hey, baba!
Jersey number 19 is the play. Pass to jersey number 4. Back to jersey number 19. Last 15 to shoot. No. Kuha ni jersey number 25.
Pero ba siya iklayang rebound?
Rebound pass to jersey number 4.
Di ba, wala sila iklayang sa rebound na. Pagod ko.
Kaya, hindi man takasap. Kaya mo sa rebound eh. Takasap eh.
Last 15 to shoot. Pass to jersey number 19, 83. No. Rebound pa rin ni jersey number 15.
Wala sabay pas-pas ba isa.
Back to jersey number 15 to jersey number 45.
Hey!
Pass to jersey number 19.
Oh, dito, simbol.
Ha? Ha? Saan sa? Oh. Pito. Spas Kyle, pito Kyle. Susah ko na yun.
Last 15. Jersey number 15. Pass.
Karo kay Kyle. Karo kayo.
Jersey number 31. Jersey number 31 send the play. Back to jersey number 15. Last 15 in a check up. Back to jersey number 31. No. Kuha to jersey number 9. Jersey number 9 na ulit. Pass to jersey number 7. No. Jersey number 9. Jersey number 4, pushing foul. Sabre. And last 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Connect 2 points. Jersey number 8.
Tro. Raytom. Raytom. Grabe. Malasan ni mo eh.
Nice day. No.
Last 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Jersey number 15 back to jersey number 21 to jersey number 45. Last 15 to shoot. That's 10.
Nice.
Jersey number 4 to jersey number 9.
Kalayo kayo. Kalayo kay Bia.
Last 15 to shoot.
Tuwa pre.
Last 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Jersey number 21 to jersey number 25. Pass to jersey number 21 again. Last 15 to shoot. Last 3 minutes. Double. Buwan jersey number 23. Connect 2 points. Last 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Jersey number 19 ay hawak ang bola. Last 15. At 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Jersey number 31 to jersey number 45. Bumira ng threat. Wala. Nakakuha ng number 4. Long pass